You access the keyword research section using one of a few methods. You can either click through from the My Site section by clicking on the blue View Campaign icon, clicking on the yellow Campaign Options button, and then selecting Monitor Keywords. Or you can go to the Competitive Position section, open up the Monitor Keywords component, and click on the Keyword Research button, and then the Keyword Research tab. This is probably one of the first places you should be going to when first setting up a new SEO campaign. The first thing to do here is to decide what data you want to display in this table. To do this, use the Select Columns feature, which is accessible by clicking on the small grey cog icon here. You will then be presented with the following metrics. The list shows you at a glance how the system will take data from several different data sources and mix them together into one really useful component. So for example, we have our own system filters, Google Analytics tracking data, keyword ranking data, our own universal search analysis, plus data we import automatically from SEMrush. Simply select the data you want to use for your keyword research, and you'll notice that the table will instantly refresh itself in the background. When you're happy, click anywhere on the screen to go back to the table itself. As you can see from these filters, we will automatically populate this table for you by taking keywords from your Google Analytics account, your Google Webmaster Tools account, and by also crawling your competitors' homepages and your own homepage. There are two ways in which you can set up keyword groups within keyword research. You can either simply click on the Edit Groups link here, or you can also click on this button and enter a keyword group name and save it down. You can also add more keyword groups from within the Monitor Keywords tab, explained in the video entitled Detailed Keyword Monitoring. We also allow you to upload your own set of keywords. Simply click here and cut and paste or enter your keywords into this white box, one in each line. At the time you import keywords, you can decide whether to monitor them all straight away, or just add them to the Keyword Research Suggestions table. You can also give your keywords a keyword group name, or move them into an existing keyword group. One thing you might want to consider doing is to use Google's own keyword research tool for keyword ideas, and then import those ideas into the Keyword Research Suggestions table, as will then obtain ranking, search volume, and other data for you. I'm sure you'll have your own ideas as to which keywords you want to monitor for a particular SEO campaign, but it's worth remembering that you can also use Boolean filters here in these column headings to break your keywords down into different buckets or keyword groups, for example short-term, medium-term or long-term goals. So if you want to then add keywords into specific groups or buckets, simply select the desired keyword group from the drop-down menu here and add or remove the keywords to and from this group using the green plus icons and the red minus icons on the right-hand side of the table. You can also use greater than and less than signs. For example, I can use these here in organic rank if I want to see at a glance which keywords are currently considered ranked by the system by typing less than 100. And as you can see now, it's filtered out all the zeros from the table. As you monitor or unmonitor keywords, you'll notice the counter updating here and warning you if you're likely to incur overage charges for having the system monitor more keywords than your current package threshold allows. Each keyword is used by each check we complete against a single search engine. So if, for example, you have two search engines set up for this campaign, as we have here, each monitored keyword will use up 2 keyword units, as you can see reflected in the usage bar. Similarly, if you want to remove multiple keywords from this table, you can select them using the tick boxes or the global tick box here. And then by using the global drop-down menu, you can either delete keywords, add them to groups, monitor, or unmonitor them. Again, if you monitor keywords in this way, they will automatically be assigned to the keyword group selected over here at the time. An essential task you need to complete is to set up your brand filters. You'll notice this task appears in all your campaign workloads. Click on this button to bring up this lightbox. You'll notice when you first do this that the system has added in your domain as a branded term. You will usually need to add additional filters and take into account misspellings and spaces and other common errors. We would also recommend that you add in your corporate telephone numbers, possibly your postcode, together with any specific trademark terms applicable to the domain. As you add in filters, you'll see that the system dynamically updates the groups into branded keywords and generic or non-branded keywords. Branded and non-branded data in terms of keyword ranks and visits and conversions is shown in several places in the platform. Our manual explains where this data appears. Once you're happy with the brand filters you've set up, remember to add notes detailing your time and marking the task as complete so it updates the workload. You'll then return to the Keyword Research Suggestions table. One keyword unit is used up for each check we do against one search engine. So if you monitor keywords and have two search engines set up for a particular campaign, you will use up 2 keyword units for every keyword. For details on the various thresholds, please contact your account manager or take a look at the sign-up page on our website, www.analyticsseo.com/pricing-plans. You can view your current overall usage by clicking on the View Limits here link here, and you'll be taken to the usage section of the software, which is visible only to admin users. We also allow you to upload additional search volume data from Google's own tools. Simply click on this button and upload the data in the way it is described here. This data will appear as competition (manual) search volume (manual) and CTR percentages (manual). Once you're happy with the keywords you've selected for monitoring, they will appear in the Monitor Keywords table, and we will automatically run keyword ranking checks for these every 7 days. Again, as with any table in the platform, you can download the entire Keyword Research Suggestions table as an Excel file.